Okay, so today I will be showing you a slideshow from my class, Math of Physics, and we'll be talking about what is slope. And hope you can see my screen. I can't exactly put it in slideshow mode. My computer is not in the shape to do that, so yeah, here we go. So the slope of a line is the ratio of the amount that y increases as x increases the same amount, increases some amount. Slope tells you how steep a line is, or how much y increases as x increases. What is area? Area is the quantity that expresses the extent of a region on the plane or on a curved surface. The area of a plane region or a plane area refers to the area of a shape or planar lamina, while surface area refers to the area uh, of an open surface or boundary of a three-dimensional object. Here are some functions I created that I thought would be very useful to have, and I thought would be very useful to use in your daily lives. So my first one I did math. I did with money, and I thought this was a very important. Let me open it up a little bit more. So right here, as you can see that I was showing you the increase in money, how much you're making, and how much you made and everything. And you want to know this because like when you get older, you're not gonna have someone tell you like how much money you're making or how much money you're losing or all that. So it would be good to have like it would be good to know how to graph this and have like a always like a working graph to like and know how it works, like know how the graph works, so that you're just not like saying you're not just saying okay to like a drought in money or something that you have. The second one I did is a group of monkeys. Now, I did not think about people counting monkeys, but I generally thought about people who struggle with, like, let's say you're having a party, a marriage, a funeral, and you want to see how many people, like, and like maybe like I don't, you might not do this or anything, but let's say like after all that, you want to count how many people were there, you want to count how many people were left, like how many people, all this, all that. You could put it on a graph, and it'll help you. It'll help you a little bit, and it'll show you like the decrease and increase in people, and it'll show you like how many people came in, how many people left, how many people stayed for like a while back, for like a while, and it'll show you all of that. So, and I thought that would be very important. And the last one I did was baking cookies. Now, a lot of us bake. Everyone bakes something, and not everyone knows exactly how to like what temperature to put it on or what temperature to keep it on, because most people think they just should put it on 200, 400, 800, or whatever you like usually put your ovens up to. Some people need to know like how to regulate that heat and keep it at a nice constant heat that cooks and bakes the cookies or the chicken or the cake or the bread. You need to keep it that constant heat, and it would be good, to, I guess you could say, have a graph maybe on the side, and this would help you, decide, what's like how much it's cooking, and you're heating it up, like you're heating it up as it goes. So yeah, for my next slide, what is derivative and integral? Derivative in math is the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. Derivatives are fundamental to the solution of problems in calculus and in differential equations. An integral in math is either a numerical value equal to the area under the graph of a function. for some interval or a new function, derivative of which is the original function. Mathematical notation consists of using symbols for representing operations, unspecific numbers, relations, and other mathematical objects, and assembling them into expressions and formulas. Using slope. So you can use slope in differential calculus, which is function 2 and function 1 finds the speed from distance. Integral calculus finds the distance from speed, and integrate function 2 to find function. Integral calculus uses speed to find distance, and the area under the curve will tell us the total of the first graph integral. And that will be it. And thank you for watching my slide.